Hello everyone. In today's class, we see the different types of contract. Contract may be classified into three different types. First one on the basis of its formation, second one on the basis of its performance, and third one on the basis of its validity. Contract on the basis of its formation, contract may be classified into express contract. Express contract is one in which we express either in spoken or in written our condition, and the other side understand as per our expression, that will be express contract. Express contract is again subdivided into two parts: oral and written contract. Written contract is that, as per its name suggests, it is a contract which is in written type, and the other is oral contract, in which nothing is written, only contract is made only by words, and it is always better to go for a written contract for safe side. Next one is implied contract. Implied contract is that in which nothing is spoken or nothing is written, all are silent, but it becomes a contract. How? Let's take an example. When we enter into a shopping mall, we say nothing to the shopkeeper, we put things we needed in our cart. That automatically means that we will buy that things or will pay for that things. That is an example of implied contract. Next one is quasi contract. Strictly speaking, quasi contract is not a contract. Quasi contract is an obligation of one party to another imposed by law. For example, it is a contract on the basis of morality. For example, when A lost his certificate and B found that certificate, B is legally bound to return that certificate to A. Next one is types of contract on the basis of its validity. First one is valid contract. Valid contract, as is discussed in our last class, valid contract, where all the features of essential features of a valid contract as per section 10 is present, that will be a valid contract. Next one is void contract. Void contract is that in which any one of the essential feature is missing, that will be a void contract. And third one is voidable contract. Voidable contract is that in which all features of essentials of a valid contract is present, but that are obtained by means of coercion or undue influence or mistake or fraud or by misrepresentation, that will be a voidable contract. The third types of contract on the basis of its performance. First one is executed contract. Executed contract is that in which the party of the contract, both sides has done their part of duty, that is executed contract. For example, A want to sell his car to B, A deliver his car to B, B paid the money. Both part has done their part of duty. That is a valid contract. That is a executed contract. Next one is executory contract, in which both party have to done their part of contract. For example, when I book for a cab, the cab driver have to come to pick me. I have to pay the rent for the driver, or both have to be executed. That is executory contract. And third one is partly executed and partly executory. When take the same example of a cab. When I booked the cab driver came and dropped me. He has done his part of duty. He has dropped me. He has done his part of duty. And now it is my duty to pay the driver. That is partly executed and partly executory contract. Okay, we will discuss all this in detail in our class.